What is up, guys? It's your boy Brap Genius. That's right, I'm back. And today I'm going to do a little channel update for you guys and just let you know what's going on in the life of your boy Brap Genius. Before I get started with anything, I just want to say we just hit 5,000 subscribers. That is insane. I remember when I started this channel back in 2016, I didn't start posting videos until probably some point in 2017, probably like June. You know, and for months and months and months, I had like 20 subscribers. I'd get like maybe 20 views on each video for a week, and it was a hard time. And now it's just crazy to me that there's over 5,000 of you that want to watch my videos. You know, that means a lot to me. So shout out to you guys, each and every one of you. Thank you so much for the support. We're gonna keep going up. We're going up every day, guys. I got more content coming. I got some surprises for you, which I'm gonna talk about later on in the video. But yeah, so let's get to it. To get into the channel update, let me talk about what's been going on with the bikes. So I still have this bike. This bike is not going anywhere. My Gixxer 1000. I still have my KTM. That bike is not going anywhere. The YZ450 is sold, and there's a reason I sold that. I don't really ride it. I bought it to be an enduro, and it's too big for the kind of riding that I do. So unfortunately, that is just not the move. So I sold it to one of my friends, actually, who's going to turn it into a supermoto, which was my plan with the bike in the first place. So I'm happy that he's going to get to do something with it and really just live out the dream for that bike that I wanted it to be. It would be cool to make that into a supermoto. I would love to do it, but that's just, it's another bike. I have 4 bikes. I don't need 4 bikes. You know, I barely have enough time to use 2. So that being said, I do still have the Honda Shadow. I've been talking about when we're going to do videos with that bike. I did buy a fuel tank repair kit because that's the issue with it. That's why it's not running. It's got a lot of rust gunked up inside of the fuel tank. So I'm going to redo the fuel tank, and everything else I already did to that. So that should be it. I'll clean out the carb one more time, make sure the battery's charged, and that bike should be good to go. So if it does run, I want you guys to let me know down below if you want me to keep that bike or if you want me to sell it. Realistically, if I'm not really using it much, I might just sell it. Or if you guys want to see some content with it, maybe I'll make some cruiser videos. This channel is about you guys too, so I want to hear your feedback. Now, in terms of life, I've been pretty busy. You know, I've been working. You guys know I work at a marina in the summer, so I'm going to be there 7 days a week this year. So I will still be putting out videos. It's just going to be difficult to put out 2 videos a week, which I really haven't even been doing anyway. Realistically, I think I can get at least 1 video out a week for you guys. And another reason that I sold the bike is because I'm looking to do a different kind of Brap. I'm looking at a car. I'm looking to sell my truck. My younger brother's looking to buy my truck, and I'm actually gonna be buying a race car of some kind. I'm going to look at one tomorrow. I'm not gonna say what it is because I want it to be a surprise for you. I wasn't even gonna say I was getting a car, but I gotta keep you guys updated because I haven't posted a video in a couple weeks, and I feel bad when I leave you guys hanging. So that's the reason that I have not been posting. Is I've been trying to sell my bike, and I've been looking for cars. I'm looking for cars, and I've been working a lot. So I want you guys to guess down below what kind of car you think I'm gonna get. And if you're right, I won't tell you. If you're wrong, I won't tell you. You guys are gonna have to wait to see it. And the channel's not gonna turn into a strictly car channel. You know, motorcycles are my thing. I know that's what you guys are here for. So that's gonna be the focus of the channel. But I think it would be cool to get a little variety too. And it'll give me some more content for the winter when there's only so much content I can do with motorcycles. So that's the update, guys. Hopefully you guys like that. Hopefully you're down for where the direction of this channel is going, and we'll take it from there. I'm going to try and get out another dirt bike video within the next couple weeks as well, because I know a lot of you guys like the dirt bike videos too. So thank you for watching. There's the update. If you guys want a t-shirt, the link is in the description below. Feel free to grab one. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. So thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day. Peace.